Good morning, students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online class. Now, students, we already what we do in the last lecture. Done in the last lecture, we wrote which thing question answer of chapter number 5. What we done? Explanation already we completed. After that, we start new words of this chapter. Which chapter? Chapter number 5, the journey of food. Okay, now in this lecture today, what we done, what we do, we write second question. Okay, in the last lecture what we done, we wrote new words of chapter number 5. I explained you each and every word. Okay, and after that we wrote 5 questions. Okay, what is that questions? Question number 1 is why do we need food? We wrote that question. Okay, now after that question number 2 is why do children need a lots of protein? This question we wrote. Okay, and answer also we wrote. Okay, now why the number 3, why do we add spices in our food? This question we wrote. Okay, now number 5, what are the main oil seeds? This is the number 4. Okay, we completed these questions. Clear? These 4 questions. Student, this question already given in your textbook. Okay, now after that we write second question. Student, this question not given in your textbook. Okay, this is the extra question, but you write question number 2. Okay, tick the correct option. This is given in your textbook. After that circle the correct word. Now the next question given in your textbook, this is the question number C, and these questions given in the page number 3030. Okay, now these are the textbook exercise. Now we write question number 2. This is the define the following terms. Okay, means what is the meaning of these words. Okay, now we start our writing work. Now write question number 2. Okay, the question number 2 is define the following terms. Okay, define, write this question. Define the following terms. Define the following terms. Means what is the meaning of these words. Okay, how you give the definition of this word, मीन्स आप इस वर्ड को कैसे बताओगे कि हम इसे क्या कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ द नंबर 1 इज, द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज इरिगेशन. IRRIGATION, irrigation. Okay, now we write the definition of irrigation. What is the meaning of irrigation? What is the meaning of irrigation? In the process of farming, this is the most and important process. Okay, clear? Now we write here the definition of irrigation. The, how you start, the process of watering plants. The process of watering plants is irrigation. Is called irrigation. Clear? The process of watering plants is called irrigation. In which place? In the garden or in the field. Okay, means पौधों को पानी देना. Clear? When the farmer grows crop, when he grows seeds in the soil, after that the seed required water, heat of sun, okay, some favorable condition for that. So water is the most necessary thing. Okay, so this process is called irrigation. Okay, student, this question related to, you have to write the meaning of the words. Okay, clear? means इस टर्म का मतलब क्या है, इस शब्द का मतलब क्या है, आपको लिखना है. ओके, clear? Now this is the number 1. Now number 2. Second word, harvesting. 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 Now the second word is harvesting. What is the meaning of harvesting? The cutting of crops. Okay, right? The cutting of crops is called harvesting. Second word is harvesting. Okay, the cutting of crops means why the farmer cut the crops? The farmer want to get grains. Okay, when he grow the crops, after that he watering them properly, means he arrange the proper irrigation, irrigate the crops. After that the seeds germinated and the farmer get a small plant, and if the farmer take care of that plants or watering them properly, after the sometimes means after the 4 or 6 months he get crops. Okay, means that plants give the different types of, means if he grow the wheat, so the crops through the that crops the farmer get wheat. If the farmer grow maize or if the farmer grow moong, so he get different types of grains from the crops. Okay, तो when the crop ripe means जब फसल पक जाती है तो farmer cutting that crop. Okay, cut that crop, उस फसल को काटता है. तो this process, इस काम को क्या कहते हैं? Harvesting. फसल को काटना. Okay, this is called harvesting. The cutting of crops is called harvesting. Okay, clear? Now number 3, threshing. T THRESHING, threshing. What is the meaning of threshing? When the farmer cut the crop, okay, तो he not automatically get the grains. वो अचानक से अनाज नहीं मिल जाता है उसको उस फसल से. He do some process with that crops, okay. He take out the grains from this ripe crops. जब वो पकी हुई फसल से अनाज को अलग करता है, ओके, क्रॉप से, ठीक है, कटिंग से. द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेटिंग द ग्रेन्स, द प्रोसेस ऑफ separating grains from the plant is called threshing. Clear? The process of separating grains from the plants means this crops is a plant, okay. The farmer grows that seeds, he get plant, and after that plant give the crop, means grains, okay. So when the farmer cut the crops means he cut that plants, after that he separating means अलग करते हैं उसको, okay. ग्रेन्स, अनाज के दाने निकालते हैं. तो दिस प्रोसेस, इसको क्या कहते हैं? थ्रेसिंग, ओके. द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेटिंग मीन्स अलग करना. ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स मीन्स प्लांट से ग्रेन्स को अलग, अनाज को अलग करना, ओके. इज कॉल्ड थ्रेसिंग. से क्या कहते हैं? थ्रेसिंग, ओके. नाउ द फार्मर डूइंग दिस प्रोसेस थ्रू द, in the olden time the farmer use animals for that, okay, but at present the farmer use machine, okay. Thresher, we say that machine is thresher, through that he separate the grains, okay. So this is the number 2 and 3. Now the number 2, what we wrote here, harvesting. What is the meaning of harvesting? The cutting of crops is called harvesting, okay. Now the number 3, threshing. What is the meaning of threshing? The process of separating grains from the plant is called threshing. Once again we revise this. What is the meaning of harvesting? The cutting of crops is called harvesting, okay. Now what is the meaning of threshing? The process of separating grains from the plant is called threshing, okay. Now the number 4. Number 4 is winnowing. WINNOWING. Okay, what is the meaning of winnowing? The process of removing the husk from the grains is called winnowing. Means जब when we get the grains with the grain some particles of the leaves of plant or any the seed coat of the plants seeds come come with the grain particles. So we should remove them from the grains. This process is called winnowing. Okay. Now write the process of removing the husk from the grains. Is called winnowing. Okay. The process of removing the husk from the grains is called winnowing. Now our question number 2 finished here. Okay, we wrote 4 terms. What is the meaning of that? You have to write that. Okay. Now the first number is irrigation, second number is harvesting, the third number is threshing, and fourth number is winnowing. Okay. The student, these terms basically we use in the which thing? In the crop cycle. Okay. Irrigation, harvesting, these terms related to which thing? Related to crops. Okay. Now the question number 3 is answer in one word. Right. Student, when you start new questions or when you write the question answer or when you write this thing, you have to means if you finish the number 1, leave one line and after that you have to write the number 2. Okay, means between the each and every question you have to remove one line. Okay, leave one line. Clear? And use scale, make a line. Okay, draw a line. Clear? Now write the question number 3, that is answer in one word. Okay, answer in one word. Now the number 1, answer in one word. Number 1, food grains are rich in. Food grains are rich in. What we get from the food grains are cereals. What we get from the cereals are food grains. The food grains are rich in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Okay. Now the number 2. The number 2 is cereals, pulses. What we write on the number 2? Pulses are rich in. The pulses are rich in proteins. Okay, what we get from the pulses? The pulses are the rich source of protein. We get protein from the pulses. Okay, हमें दालों से क्या मिलता है? Protein. Okay, now number 3. Oil seeds. Oil seeds are crushed to get. What we get from the oil seeds? Crushed means we press these seeds, some types of seeds, okay, and we get extract from them. These called oil. Okay, ऑयल सीड्स आर क्रश टू गेट, मतलब हम उन्हें क्यों क्रश करते हैं, क्यों पीसते हैं, क्यों द प्रेस करके क्या निकालते हैं? तो वी गेट ऑयल. क्लियर? नाउ नंबर 4. नंबर 4, the queen of beverages. Which is the queen of the beverages? That is tea. Tea is the queen of beverages. Okay, now pesticides. This is the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once again I repeat for you. After that we write number 4. Okay, the number 1 is food grains are rich in, means what we get from the food grains are cereals, and food grains are the same. Okay, so we get carbohydrate from the food grains. Okay, now the number 2, pulses are rich in, means what we get from the pulses? We get protein. Okay, the pulses are rich in protein. Okay, now the number 3, oil seeds are crushed to get, means when we crush the oil seeds, are some seeds, means sesame seed, soya bean seeds, coconut, groundnut seeds, almond, these are the seeds. Sunflower seeds of sunflower. So if we crush them, we get oil. Okay, and we use oil in the that oil in the different purpose. Okay, now the queen of the beverages is tea. Tea is the queen of the beverages. Okay, now write, this is the 4th. Okay, now write number 5. Now write number 5. Pesticides and insecticides keep plants safe from which thing? Insects. What is the answer? Insects. Okay, pesticides and insecticides keep plants safe from insects. Okay, those are the harmful for the crops, means they destroy the crops. They eat the leaf of the crop, plants or grains. Okay, so prevent them. The farmer use in pesticides and insecticides. Okay. This is the question number 3. Answer in one word. After that we write match the column. Okay. Now write question number 4. MATCH. Match the column. Write number A. Here column A, this side column B. Draw here line. Write number A, small a. Okay. Tea, coffee, number B, cabbage, spinach, C, D. Almond and walnut. Clove and turmeric. Now write in the column A what we wrote: tea, coffee, cabbage, spinach, almond, walnut, clove, turmeric. Now write here number 1, 2, 3. Now number 4. Okay. Write in the number 1 dry fruits. Okay. Now in the number 2 beverages. Okay. Now write in the number 3 spices. Okay. And number 4 is leaf. Leaves. Okay students. Now tea, coffee, cabbage, spinach, almond, walnut, clove, turmeric. And in the B what we wrote: dry fruits, beverages, spices and leaves. Now look what we wrote on the number A: tea, coffee. What is the tea and coffee? Dry fruits, beverages, spices or leaves. How you write the answer? If you want to match like this through the line, okay, so you have to draw the line. And now the next method is how you write answer. Answer match. M-A-T-C-H. Match the. First we write this side. A with. A with. Now B with. Okay. C with. Now next D with. Okay. A, we match A with the tea and coffee is beverages. Okay. So we write here number 2, means A with number 2. Now the number B, cabbage, spinach. Cabbage, spinach. What is the cabbage and spinach? They are the dry fruits, spices, leaves. What is the correct answer? The cabbage and the spinach is a leaf of fruit or plant. Okay, we used it as a vegetable. Okay, so we write here number 3 means 4. We match number B with number 4. Okay, now the C, almond, walnut. What is the almond and walnut? Here 2 options remaining here: spices and dry fruits. So think about it. Almonds and walnut is a dry fruits or spices. Almond and walnut is dry fruit. Okay, so C with number 1. Okay, now cloves and turmeric. Cloves and turmeric are, these are the spices. Okay, only one option remaining here. So we write D match with number 3. Okay, you have made the column completed here. Now student, here your chapter number 5 completed. Okay, explanation, after that question answer, so many things we are doing in this chapter, and I hope you understand all the things whatever I delivered you, and I want you read this chapter Student, whatever your teacher delivered you in the, not my subject, all subject, okay, if I explain you anything, you should read that thing in the chapter, okay. What is given in the chapter, I explain you, okay, clear. But you have to read the chapter at home 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, okay. And if you have any problem, make a call to me. You have already my number, आपके पास मेरा नंबर है. You read the chapter, आप चैप्टर को पढ़िए घर पे 1, 2, 2, 3 मीन्स एटलीस्ट 5 टाइम, नॉट अ सिंगल डे. एक ही दिन में नहीं पढ़ना है. You have to read again and again, okay, in front of your father, your mother or your grandparents, okay, who are the elder person in your home. In front of them you have to read the chapter, clear. And if any problem, ask your mummy or your parents facing any problem, to make a call to your teacher, subject teacher, okay, clear. Now in this chapter I explain you all the things. This chapter related to our food, means source of food. The main source of food is plants and animals. In this chapter, what is given in this chapter? The source of food is plant, okay, major source of plants. What we get from the plants? We get different things from the plants, na, vegetables, cereals, pulses, fruits, grains, spices, oil, clear. Now one process also given in this chapter, that is related to farming, how the farmer grow the crops. I explain you all the things about that, okay, clear. Now you have to read this chapter, clear. And if you have any doubt, make a call to me, understood. And we write question answer, tick the correct option. We are doing all the things in this chapter, and we also completed this textbook exercise, okay. We completed this thing. Now I also send you this picture of this exercise, okay, in our WhatsApp group, clear. And question also I send you. Now the question number 2, whatever I wrote on this board, I write on this board, I explain you. If you want to write this thing, I send you on the WhatsApp group, okay. Now student, here our chapter number 5 completed. And after that I finish my lecture here. I think you understand all the things. Those are related to our food, okay. We get different we have different types of food. Why? Because our body needs energy, clear. Now I finish my lecture here. Goodbye, take care.